Hey guys, so this is my first YouTube video, and since it's my first YouTube video, I'm going to be just taking it very chill, very easy, and I'm just going to show what I bring with me on a daily basis. This is the purse that I'll be showing. It's very cute. I had to get it because it's zebra print. Who doesn't like zebra print? If you just said me.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
We can't be friends. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is my bag. It also has a pink and black little keychain thing. I had to get it because it's pink and black, my favorite combo, but as I'm showing what's in this bag, I'll also be just talking about what to expect from this channel and just why I decided to make this channel. So let's get started. The first pocket, let's see. Okay, if you don't carry perfume on you, why?
Why?
I have my Paris Hilton perfume. I always have to carry perfume on me because I don't want to go out without my perfume because I like to smell good, So always put on your deodorant and perfume. If you don't put on deodorant, you stinky. Then I got my sunnies. Very cute. Has to have the rhinestones on them. Very cute. I have a whole lot of these, but these are like my favorite pair to bring with me on the go. That's, let's see. Oh, I have to bring a pair of my backup headphones to block people out, but these are like my favorite brand. It's Skull Candy. Oh. Love them. I don't usually wear those because I have a different pair, but like I said, the backup. And then I have my baby fat wallet. I got this while thrifting. So lucky to find this. It's my favorite wallet. And then I have to have my makeup.
A few moments later.
I have to have my eyelash curlers. Have to. I have to. No explanation needed. Just I have to. I have dogs, by the way, so sorry if you hear them. But next thing is my pink bedazzled lip gloss.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Next thing I have is another perfume, but this is one of my juicy perfumes. I have like 3 of these the same size. These are perfect to like put in my bag in case if I forget this one. I always have to have a backup. Found random money. A nail file. You don't have to bring this with you, but I do. Don't know why, I just do. And that was the first pocket. Time to move on to the second pocket. The second pocket. Ooh, okay. I have my hand lotion. I don't want crusty hands. You wouldn't want crusty hands. Always have lotion with you. Don't be crusty. Then I have my Hello Kitty fan. I don't like to feel sweaty. It makes me feel gross. So have to keep this with me at all times. How cute is that? Also, I have my sweet watermelon gum. I love my gum. This is like a new pack that I just got, and always have to keep this on me. Always. And then my glasses. Oh, dropped them. I don't usually wear these because I don't like how I look in glasses. I don't. But sometimes I would need them. I just wish, like when I don't have them, I would wish I did bring them that day because, yeah. These glasses are for like, I can't see things in the distance, so these I need to keep with me. I need to start wearing my glasses more often. I just don't like how I look. But I also keep hair ties with me. Even though every time I leave the house, I always have one on my wrist, but sometimes my friends would need them, and so I just carry emergency hair ties with me every time. Every time. Oh, another hair tie. That was the second pocket, and yeah, that was the second pocket. Moving on to the back pocket. In this back pocket, I usually keep my makeup stuff, like my Sky High Maybelline mascara. This is just primer. I don't know where my other Maybelline Sky High mascara is. Have to find that. And then I got this tinted lip balm. I really like the color. I think it's like really cute. This is a must. And then I have my lip liner. This is like my favorite one. I don't know how long I've had this. It's been a while. I've had that one for a while. And then I have another chapstick. This one, I don't like the smell of it, but I don't want my lips feeling very chapped. So, gotta have chapstick. Might get a new one. Also, I have another chapstick. This one is okay, in my opinion. It's not the best, but it's sweet strawberry. I love strawberries. It's just this one also like smells weird. And then I got my eyeliner pencil. Always have to have my eyeliner pencil for like my waterline and all that. I don't go anywhere without this, so have to have this. And that's it for this bag. I have I have a lot of bags, but this one is my favorite because it's zebra print. I love zebra print. That was it for this video, and I'm going to now explain what to expect from this channel and also why I started. So why I started this channel was because I wanted to do something different. I mean, I've always wanted to be a creator, influencer, and all of that. And I started this when TikTok was getting banned, but it came back. Because I have a TikTok channel, and I'll link it, well, I'll put the name right there. I started to have fun creating videos and just showing off what I can do to the people that like to watch my stuff. And I was really sad that TikTok was getting banned. So I started to create a YouTube channel. And even though TikTok is back, I just wanted to stick with that idea to like post this and post YouTube videos because it's something I really want to get into. But what to expect is that I'm going to do vlogs, thrift hauls, sometimes just rants. I might start a podcast just for like just rants or like topics that need to be talked about. Social media, anything like that. But that's still a maybe, so maybe expect a podcast, maybe not, but we'll see how that goes. I don't know how this channel is going to be in the future. I know that I'm going to post on here. It's something I would like to get into. It's something I've thought about for a while. So if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and like my stuff. And that was it for this video. Also, if I would link my TikTok and my Instagram in the description and also right here. Follow my Instagram because sometimes I like to do McBlain styled like photography. So if you want to see the results from any like photo shoots I do, they will be on my Instagram. So go follow my Instagram and go follow my TikTok because I also post similar videos to what this is on there. So if you like what I post here, go follow my TikTok as well. But that was it for this video, and I guess just catch you later.